I almost didn't get to be here. I came from a coma. I was in a coma for 2 weeks. You know, and then after I came out of it, I didn't even know I didn't even know what had happened. I don't even know what's happening. This machines did, and this I did research this place called Shirley Ryan, and you know, I emailed them, do a consultation with them, and they got all this stuff like shock therapy and machines that get me walking, and it's like a robot, you know, and I'll get on the path to walking.
Really?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it. It's because of you.
I love it.
You inspire him.
I love that. Man.
And that's not something you can get every day from people.
Whoa. You know. How he is? Are you kidding? I was telling her earlier, I'm like, just wait when you meet him. I'm like, with everything that has happened to you, just how positive and inspiring of a person you are. I mean, because a lot of times people would look at being in a situation like this, and you can of course, you can grab any negative and whatnot about it, but it's just staying positive about the situation at hand, and which is crazy.
You know, the only way to go is up.
Yeah.
We've been down. I don't want to be down there no more.
It's like the whole thing, you know, inspired me. I just came, you know, to get adjusted. First off, it helped me get sensation in my legs, which opened my mind up. Next time.
I love that.
Yeah, man. My daughter, you know, it's like, you know, these shoes, you're gonna walk, man.
Might have to
I'm like, man.
Call out Kanye on that one for the Muses. Helping you walk again.
When he used to put all that together like that, I mean, I just, now I know that's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. That's what I'm gonna do.
That's what you're gonna do.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Gonna walk again. Have your daughter seeing you walk again, being able to run and play with her.
Just to stand up and walk and move.
Yep.
No matter how I do it, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna work on it because I got the power to do it.
Yep.
And
mind over matter.
Yep.
This whole thing, let's put it together.
Dang. How's the rapping going? I haven't talked to you about that in a hot minute.
And really, with my music, you know,
You got a lot of haters that come on.
What?
YouTube, and YouTube.
I just had people.
No, on TikTok. They pick on him all the time.
What?
Yeah, haters.
There's a
But it's
special
okay.
place for those people.
Yeah, they going.
Yeah, other than that, I'm working on walking. I've done all the research. I know, you know, I need spinal cord rehab. So that's why I come to it. You know, I'm just, anybody want to help me with that, I'll be grateful. I'll set up a GoFundMe so I can start working on that. Other than that,
Definitely, I'll have that
It's
link.
$6,000 just for the first appointment.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, it's $6,000, right? $6,000 to get in the door. So he's been working on it.
but you know, I do have people that's helping me. So I'm thanking God for anybody, all my TikTok supporters. That's really where a lot of people that support me that's come from TikTok. I thank God for that. And I don't want to forget nobody, but I really thank God for everybody that's been helping me on that.
Yeah, the good, the bad,
It's
and
been
the
hard.
Right.
It's been really hard.
Man, I can't believe that. And even $6,000 for the first appointment. And I mean, that's just one. You don't even know how many.
It's in Chicago.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like, I've done research. It's gonna be an average of about 100,000 just to, you know, to go through it. But
Well, faith is the substance of things hoped for, the evidence of things not seen. We can't see it, but we know that it's gonna happen.
Mm-hmm.
these are the shoes to do it. Like, these are
Is
the
that
shoes
the
to do it.
There's Atlanta going.
It's starting to pick up. I mean, that is brand new. I mean, we're still kind of slowly growing, but it's weekends gets more people than weekdays, but
Okay.
yeah, slowly going. It takes a little time once it starts going, and then people are realizing it's there. Because that's always the one thing is people don't realize, like, it's like people who really like follow and watch, they know like, okay, there's Tampa, there's Greenville, there's Atlanta. And then it's funny because I still get a lot of people that don't even realize I'm in Florida. They're like, oh, I didn't know you're in Tampa. People watch our videos, but they don't listen, or like they listen just for the like there's like selective hearing. But you ready?
Yeah, man, I can't wait. I'm excited.
Perfect.
Man, that feels so good. Oh man, yeah. You got me really far. Oh man. This morning be so tired. Oh man. I don't know anybody who ever say this ain't good for me. I don't know what y'all talking about. Y'all need to stop that. Y'all tripping. Oh man, this don't never get old, man. I do this all the time. It's the same effect. It's good. They don't do it like you, they really know. Cause they be bouncing it a lot. I think this is good. It's nice and smooth.
Alright, let's start with the wrist here.
Telling you where these wrists and my hands be so tight because all I do is use them like all I can do is use it. So I need to get like shock therapy, get my muscles back,
Oh, to help, yeah.
help wake them up. Yes. Oh man. Oh yeah. Cha-ching. Money. Swish.
Man.
Boy. When I tell you, boy. Whew.
Starting off with everything up.
Man.
Alright, I'm gonna get the ankles and legs for you.
It's like everything got brighter.
There we go. Let's good. Bend that knee real quick. Alright, I'm gonna get a couple more drops in. All through the thoracic. After doing them knees, kind of slid you down right where I needed you.
Right there. Go later. Oh, man, all right. Oh, please. No, never stop. Oh. Huh? That's the best. Y'all don't know how that bet me right there. Please, one more. Please, one more, please. Just
I
one
got you.
Just one more. Oh, man, yes. Oh, still. Gosh, this is awesome. This is so awesome. Stop. Tell you, bro, like right there. Man. Whoa. Man, you can taste it. I'm telling you, boy. I'm lost for words, man. Yeah, like, oh, That was great. That was so good.
How you feeling after that guy?
Man, I feel awesome. Like, feel regenerated. I'm like, my body is, my legs are tingling. Like, I really need to be doing this before I go to therapy sessions and stuff. So that's my next goal now, you know. This is really, you know, I got the shoes to stand up. This is what it's about now. Walking.
Oh yeah.
So.
Literally get the shoes. I mean, always with the freshest socks. So I ain't gonna lie. With the Pringles.
For real, man. All thanks to you, man. This is what I'm doing. I just want to inspire everybody out there. Don't give up on nothing you want to do. I know when I'm going to do it, it's going to inspire everybody to be able to make their dreams come true. You know, this is just something simple. I'm not trying to do anything extravagant. I just want to walk, be able to use the bathroom on my own, be able to help myself out. All it takes is a therapy. You got to be strong about it. But I've seen people do it, and I know I deserve an opportunity to do it, and I'm ready. You know, I got somebody to do it for.
Exactly.
And everybody that's been out there supporting me and helping me, I really appreciate it. People that's been keeping me motivated. I'm just working on walking.
Yep.
So, you know, and I feel like my main goal now is just to walk. And if anybody wants to hear the music, I'm going to use the music as much as I can to inspire people, because it's just what I was made to do. I use the music to help everybody that needs us positive, like something to look forward to, and not look at all the negative drugs, sex, money. You know, I'm just a man working on walking. What I'm spreading to you guys, I feel like it's really valuable because it almost didn't get to be here. I came from a coma. I was in a coma for 2 weeks. You know, and then after I came out of it, I didn't even know what had happened. I'm working on getting back to standing up, and it's possible. You know, Shirley Ryan, that's a really great place. They got all type of equipment. Once you get in the program, they got like machines that you can have to stand up, and it's like walkers and all type of things. And yeah, it's a great program. It's just, I'm gonna need everyone that's watching to just, you know, share my link. Just share some of my music. Share my GoFundMe. Even if you can't do anything, just please share it at least. Like it, share it, talk to me, motivate me, help me. If I could do anything for you, let me know. Let me motivate you. You know.